Working with local health departments, hospitals, and community partners, the Maryland Department of Health and Mental Hygiene and the Community Health Resources Commission helped establish 5 health enterprise zones, HEZs for short, on the Eastern Shore in Dorchester and Caroline counties, in St. Mary's, West Baltimore, Prince George's, and Anne Arundel, to reduce barriers in healthcare delivery and improve outcomes. Let's take a look at the accomplishments of each HEZ. Since 2012, Competent Care Connections, Caroline Dorchester's Health Enterprise Zone, has been on a journey to increase access to quality care by recruiting healthcare providers and providing clinical services, to offer peer support services for individuals seeking substance abuse and mental health recovery, to assist and connect people to community health resources, and to train and deploy a culturally competent workforce to help build healthier individuals, stronger families, and nourished communities. Making healthcare accessible to St. Mary's County residents in Greater Lexington Park is the primary goal of Access Health, the county's health enterprise zone. Access Health provides an open-door approach to healthcare delivery in order to remove barriers and help residents regain control over their health and increase their quality of life, focusing on individuals with chronic diseases like asthma, diabetes, high blood pressure, congestive heart failure, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and behavioral health issues. West Baltimore Care is making a tremendous impact on the health, wellness, and quality of life for individuals and families living in the most medically underserved neighborhoods in West Baltimore. This area includes zip codes 21216, 21217, 21223, and 21229. Through West Baltimore Care, community members and organizations work together to reduce the need for emergency room visits and hospitalization for people with cardiovascular disease, the leading cause of illness, disability, and death in West Baltimore. The Prince George's County Health Enterprise Zone has good news to report. Significant changes have come to zip code 20743, which leads the county in the number of diagnoses of cardiovascular disease, asthma, diabetes, hypertension, and low birth weights. Quality, affordable health care is now available to thousands of residents, including more doctors, nurses, and medical services for residents and surrounding communities with the addition of Global Vision Community Health Center, Greater Baden Medical Services, Gerald Family Care, Family Medical and Counseling Services, and Dimension Specialty Care Center. Over 52,000 new patient appointments were provided, and new jobs have been created in healthcare. When it comes to the Anne Arundel Medical Center Morris H. Blum Community Health Clinic, located on the ground floor of the former Glenwood High-Rise Public Housing Complex for the elderly and disabled, 4 words immediately come to mind. It's working big time. The HEZ initiative helps to reduce health disparities among racial and ethnic minority populations, improve healthcare access and outcomes in underserved communities, and reduce healthcare costs. Hospital admissions, medical 911 calls, and emergency room visits are down nearly 90% at Morris Blum, thanks to a strong network of primary care physicians, nurses, medical assistants, community health workers, the Housing Authority, and others committed to bringing quality, affordable primary care closer to where residents live and are needed the most. The State of Maryland 5 Health Enterprise Zones. Breaking barriers, building better health.